show you this little cutie patootie. It's a 1950 Dodge Pilothouse. The reason it's called a Pilothouse is because it has these corner windows here. But remember, it kind of has almost like an airplane cabin look, so that's kind of how it got that name. But actually, I'm going to sell this little truck. We picked this truck up a couple years ago. Has a little flathead in it. It's a little 6-cylinder flathead. I pulled the carb off because it was sputter popping. Let me show you that. Here's the carb right here off of that little 50 Pilothouse. I'm not a mechanic by any means at all, but I tried a mechanic, you know, not a mechanic, but I'm a mechanic. I've learned by asking a lot of questions. Talked to a buddy named, a friend of mine named Rod, and you'll meet him eventually. Rod taught me how to rebuild carburetors, and this is a very simple carburetor to rebuild. It's just a little single barrel. They always send you a little schematic of what it looks like, how it should go back together, or I'd never get it back together. Right now, I'm a little confused. I got a couple little parts here. I can't remember how they go back, but I'm gonna get this little baby done so I can get it running, so I can get that little truck sold, so I can find something else.
What are you working on here?
Well, hello there.
Hello.
So looky here. So I had taken that carburetor off that old little Pilothouse. Took it all apart. Had a little issue, but Mr. Kaus came by and helped me. He's an ass. Solved my little bow function. And guess what? I'm ready to go put this thing on there and see if it runs.
Ooh, that's exciting. Let's do it.
Alright, it goes right on here. These two little bolts. These are so simple. This is what would be a single barrel carburetor. It just goes on something like maybe like that. I don't know. Yep, just like that.
Oh, look at that. What does the carburetor do?
Carburetor is what carburetes the fuel into the intake. Put the fuel back on. Fire this baby up.
Let's do it.
Takes a second for the fuel to get pumped up into the carburetor. We're going to prime it just a little bit. We're going to pour a little gas directly into the carburetor. It's called priming the pump.
Prime your pump.